Everyone, how are you? Fine. Okay. On last previous class, on which topic had we discussed? Do you know? Okay, Saugat, you are telling something. Saugat,
Ma'am, we were discussing about articles.
articles. Okay, tell me something about the articles then.
Yes, ma'am. There are two types of articles, and they are that definite and
Definite and
ma'am. There are two types of articles, and they have some common errors and some in common.
mm,
And in indefinite there comes a and n, and
and
indefinite that comes a. Yes, ma'am.
definite article is the. Yes.
Yes, and um, if there is vowel, then there we can put n, and if there
Yes.
is others we have to put a, and if there is something that is single or special, then we should keep the.
Okay, good. Okay, once Abusan, try. Last time we discussed on article, the Saugat told. Now, what do you mean by article? What do you learn last time?
There are two types of article, infinite article and finite article.
Yes.
Uh, in infinite article, we use the
Yes.
and
Then next.
and in
Yeah, definite and indefinite two type of articles. Yes.
yes
Definite one. Which one? A and the. Which one? Indefinite article which we use a and or the. Which one?
and the
The. Okay. And Sunichit, you are laughing. Yes, you know answer better. Yes, Sunichit.
Ma'am, there are two types of article. They are definite and indefinite.
Then which is definite and which is indefinite then?
The definite article is the article which is clear, exact, and the indefinite is which is not clear or exact.
Yeah, that means indefinite means general one, definite means the specific one. Okay, this is the topic last time we discussed. Discussed.
So today I won't do anything new. I simply would like to repeat the same thing that last time Samjana ma'am did. You know that last time we discussed about the articles. And article is one of the topic that comes under the grammar, and we have to study about that. So I want to know what simply article is known as. So let me ask the question to Mr. Robinson Chapagai. Robinson Chapagai. Robinson Chapagai disappeared. So Supreme Shrestha,
Yes,
can
sir.
you unmute? Yeah, please. Could you tell me what do you understand by article?
An article is a word that is used before a noun a and the.
Exactly. An article is a word that is used before noun, right? So in other meaning, we can tell article is a determiner.
Yes,
because that article determines the number of the nouns, right? And its position too. So it's a word that qualify or quantify the nouns. Okay, so I'd like to share my screen so that you could better look that screen and you could get something about article well. So this article section has been prescribed in our unit 1. When we discussed about travelogue, in the same section we have to discuss article in grammatical portion, right? So first of all, let's go to what is article. As you have already talked that, right? Articles that define noun as specific or unspecific. We know that, right? Whether that noun is specific or unspecific. We could see this. This is the quality of the article. This is, we know as its work. Just see there, I've given the example there. After the long day, the cough of tea tasted particularly good. See the part there. The use of article the. There is use of article the, and that has made the specific day, long day is specified there, right? And then there is a cough, and the cough is also specified. That cough is particular cough, the usual cough. You know, maybe there are many cups, but the cup which is filled with tea, that only cup we are talking about. This cup is the cup that is filled with tea. And then the day is, there is the long day. Long is the adjective, and the day, here is the noun day, right? And this the article is used before that day to specify that day. This is how article is a word that defines a noun as specific or unspecific, right? Unspecific means general. Let's see second part. And if we see here, this article A, and here A makes the day general day. There are many days. We are not clear about the dates, right? And there are dates, and there are many cups, and we even don't know which one cup. So this is unspecific. This is general, right? So how these articles make the differences? And let me tell you, if you have copy and pen with you now, you have to copy, because something that I have not written there, that I have not prepared in the slide, I will tell you verbally, right? And how the articles are used. Articles are not used on the basis of letters. Articles are not used on the basis of the letters, first letters of the words, rather used on the basis of the pronunciation. See the thing, on the basis of the sound. We get the sound, and the sound helps us to know the appropriate article that could be used, that could be shown. So dear students, article is used on the basis of sound, on the basis of the pronunciation or utterance of a word. So be careful about it, right? So article is used on the basis of sound, on the basis of utterances. So it is not based on, or it is not used on the basis of letters. Just see here, the letter C is here, right? After that article A, C, here is L, right? So L is, while pronouncing the letter L, it begins with vowel sound L, but its pronunciation, whole word's pronunciation is not L, it's long. Law is the consonant sound, and vowel sound takes N. Consonant sound takes A. So here is cop, this is cop, right? Cop, while talking about cop, you know, see, this is co, so this is consonant sound. And we can tell that articles are used on the basis of sound. See, and we have this two types of articles, the definite article and indefinite article. In definite article, the. In indefinite article, A or N. So in other words, articles are also called the determiner. My dear children, articles are also called the determiner. So when we talk about the determiner, then we normally take A, N, and the as articles. Other words that are used to qualify or quantify the nouns, those words are also supposed as articles, because its Another definition is determiner, right? So we see that sometimes we find the words like some, any, many, few, little, more. Although these words are categorized under the adjectives, see, these words also, work to quantify the nouns. These words also work as article, but we include these words under the adjectives. So these are the two basic types of articles: definite article and indefinite article. And we may have the different provisions of using those articles. Thank you very much, my dear children. Sunil sir will be working with you.